Ever dreamt of hitting a bullseye like a Navy SEAL, but when you open your wallet, it makes feel like a broke college student? Well, no need to worry, because there is actually a rifle that shoots like a $3,000 sniper without draining your savings or requiring you to sell your kidney. So buckle up yourself and get ready for a rifle that can save you, your savings, and your day all at the same time. Let's dive in. Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro. Yes, you heard it right. The Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro is a bolt-action rifle particularly designed for precision long-range shooting, being praised for its accuracy and out-of-the-box performance. Let's get to know this buddy further. Daniel Defense turned a lot of heads when the AR Pattern Rifle and Parts Company launched the Delta 5 in 2019, its foray into the bolt-action rifle world. The company's first bolt gun was well received, but there were immediate calls for a rifle with more features optimized for competitions such as the Precision Rifle Series, PRS. Those expectations were addressed in the Delta 5 Pro. The Delta 5 Pro has been in production since 2020, and it is a rifle that promised PRS features with half MOA, or better, accuracy guaranteed. It has delivered so far and at a price point that stands apart from the customs. It's still expensive, yes, but it will definitely not cost you a kidney. Working front to back, the Delta 5 Pro includes an Area 419 Hellfire muzzle brake, a popular option for many long-range enthusiasts, and it's attached to Daniel Defense's cold hammer forged barrel made in-house. Along with its half MOA accuracy guarantee, the Delta 5 Pro offers easy barrel swaps with 3 available chamberings: 6.5 Creedmoor, 6mm Creedmoor, tested, and 308 Winchester. During the cold hammer forging process, the contour, bore, and chamber are made at the same time. This translates to superior accuracy and shootability. Shooting from the bench, prone, and on barricade ends produce the same results: hits on target. At the time of real action, the Delta 5 Pro isn't just a good-looking rifle, it's built like a serious precision machine. Everything from the chassis to the action is made by Daniel Defense, and they didn't cut corners. The action is solidly attached to the rifle with a built-in recoil lug, making it super sturdy. Daniel Defense also went with a smart 3-lug bolt design, which gives it a short 60-degree throw. That means when someone racks the bolt, it moves smoothly and doesn't swing wide enough to smack their fingers on the scope, something every shooter appreciates. One cool feature is the bolt release. Instead of a clunky button sticking out, it's neatly built into the receiver. That might not make it shoot better, but it definitely makes it look sleeker and more thoughtfully designed. The trigger is no slouch either. It comes with a Timney Elite Hunter trigger, which is adjustable and has a clean, crisp break with no annoying slack. The bolt feeds ammo reliably too. In tests, it chewed through 250 rounds of Hornady, Federal, and Norma ammo without a single hiccup. The mag release is also smartly made an ambidextrous wing-style lever that's easy to hit with your index finger, making reloads fast and smooth. Specifications: the Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro is a bolt-action rifle chambered in 6mm Creedmoor, tested, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 308 Winchester. It features a 26-inch barrel with a 1.7.5 twist, an adjustable Timney Hunter Elite trigger, tested at 3 lbs 8 Oz, and a 5 or 10 round capacity. The rifle weighs 13 lbs 5 Oz, has an overall length of 46.25 inches, and an adjustable length of pull from 13.75 to 15.5 inches. It includes a Cerakote finish, AR-15 compatible DDM4 grip, and no sights. MSRP between $499. Seekins Precision HAVAK PH3 up next. Seekins Precision HAVAK PH3 is a feature-rich, lightweight hunting rifle with a focus on accuracy and precision. Overview: the HAVAK PH3 is smooth and quick to operate thanks to the short bolt throw. It features Seekins' new 3-lug bolt design with a 60-degree bolt throw. Disassembling the bolt is completely tool-free. Whether you're cleaning it or swapping out calibers, you won't need any fancy tools. Speaking of swapping calibers, the quick change barrel system is one of the PH3's standout features. I've swapped barrels on rifles before, But nothing has been this easy. With this system, you can change calibers without a hassle, and it's all toolless. It's perfect for anyone who likes to experiment with different cartridges or needs a rifle that can adapt to various shooting scenarios. The PH3 is available in a variety of calibers, so whether you're into 6mm Creedmoor, 308 Win, or something heavier like the 300 PRC, there's a barrel setup for you. To further increase your options, Seekins has made their barrel specs open source, so any gunsmith can cut an aftermarket barrel for your PH3. The TriggerTech primary trigger that this rifle features is adjustable between 2.55 elbs, and you get a clean, crisp break every time. The full-length M-LOK rail offers plenty of space for accessories, and the adjustable cheek riser ensures you have a comfortable and consistent shooting position, whether you're shooting prone or off a bench. Also, you likely won't need it, but you'll appreciate that Seekins backs their rifle with a no-questions-asked lifetime warranty. If something goes wrong, you're covered. Caliber options: short action 20 barrel, 6mm Creedmoor, 6.5mm Creedmoor, 6.5 PRC, .277 Fury, 308 Win short action 24 barrel, same options as the 20c's barrel. With these options, you'll have no trouble finding the right setup for your shooting needs, whether it's varmint hunting, big game hunting, or long-range precision shooting. At $1,195, the Seekins HAVAK PH3 isn't the cheapest rifle on the market, but it's absolutely worth every penny, with its innovative features like the quick change barrel system, toolless bolt disassembly, and top-tier accuracy. It's clear this rifle was designed with precision shooters in mind. Whether you're a hunter, a long-range enthusiast, or someone who likes a versatile, reliable rifle, the PH3 is built to meet your needs. I firmly believe that you can't find a rifle with this incredible feature set for anywhere near this price. Specifications: the Seekins Precision HAVAK PH3 is a highly modular bolt-action rifle featuring the PH3 action, which is compatible with Seekins M3 chassis and stocks. It uses a 3-lug bolt that's toolless and removable, available in both Magnum and standard versions. The barrel is made from 416R stainless steel and uses Seekins quick change barrel system threaded at 5R8X24. It comes with a TriggerTech trigger, adjustable from 2.5 to 5 pounds. The stock is a carbon composite PH3 design paired with the Seekins mini chassis system. The rifle also includes an integrated 20 MOA Picatinny rail and a full-length M-LOK rail. With a 60-degree bolt throw, the typical weight is around 16 LEBs with a 20-inch barrel. Color options include Mountain Shadow, Urban Shadow, and Woodland Shadow. So now for today, you have got two brilliant options, whether it's Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro or Seekins Precision HAVAK PH3. They both are setting legacy in their own without high prices, although the price might sound still a bit high, but the level or accuracy, durability and precision these rifles are providing is worth every penny, especially when you can't go wrong when Seekins themselves are providing you lifetime warranty. So, it's not just market hyped or seems too good to be true just on paper, but they are your real safeguard. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment below which rifle you like more, Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro or Seekins Precision HAVAK PH3.